Welcome to WTM.Cars YouTube channel. WTM.Cars. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
The new 2025 Ford F-150. Ford's 2025 F-150 combines modern tech, strong performance, and a sleek design, continuing its legacy as America's top-selling truck. Made for work, adventure, and everyday use, the new F-150 is powerful and packed with smart features, making it one of the most adaptable trucks available. Powerful engine choices. Hybrid and electric options. Ford now offers hybrid and electric versions alongside traditional gas and diesel engines, balancing power and fuel efficiency. High-power engines. With options like the EcoBoost V6 and a strong V8, the F-150 has the muscle to handle tough jobs. Best-in-class towing and payload. Designed for heavy-duty tasks, it excels at towing and carrying loads for both work and fun. Modern, functional design. Bold look. The F-150 has a new front grille, LED lights, and a more streamlined body for a bold look. Built tough. Made with military-grade aluminum alloy, it's lightweight but very durable. Functional truck bed. Features like a built-in tailgate workbench, power outlets, and lots of storage space make it a great mobile workspace. Advanced technology features. Sync 4 and 12-inch touchscreen. The F-150's infotainment system is easy to use with smartphone connectivity and a large touchscreen. Driver assistance. With Ford's Co-Pilot 360, it includes adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist for safer driving. Pro Power on board. The truck can act as a generator, powering tools, electronics, or camping gear. Comfortable and practical interior. Spacious interior. The cabin has roomy seating, quality materials, and a layout for comfort on long drives or workdays. Work-ready options. Fold-flat front seats allow the interior to serve as a workbench or resting spot. Smart storage. Multiple compartments and under-seat storage help keep your gear organized. Made for any challenge, the 2025 Ford F-150 is designed for today's diverse needs, from hauling and towing to exploring. With its blend of power, tech, and comfort, it's ready for any task. Ford sets new standards with the F-150, delivering a truck that's powerful, refined, and advanced for those who want the best.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.